This is the Vanguard Black Elegant Runner for the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Not too hard to install, and I think it looks pretty slick. What do you think? Let's talk about it. First thing you have to do is take this cover off that protects and covers the underneath of the Santa Cruz. After that, the installation is very, very simple. You have 4 holes, 2 on each side in the frame already, and they give you these T-bolts, because 1 hole is only on the bottom, so you use the T-bolts. Now they do give you 4. I only use 2 because the other hole, it's a through hole. So I bought nuts, bolts, and washers and went through from the top the whole way down. That way I only have to rely on 1 of the T-bolts. And then you just bolt it on, and it's this part here that comes out to the front of the vehicle. And after you get both of the braces on, put the main piece on and bolt it loosely. When you bolt it to the frame back there, make it tight enough so it doesn't move easily, but loose so you can move it, because once you get this on and you have both of these braces out, you want to be able to slide it back and forth so you can center it and get it where it needs to be before you tighten those down. So once you get this all bolted up and you get it positioned left to right and everything, because everything's slotted so you do have the adjustment, then go back and tighten that up. Then remove this part again, because the next thing you want to do is you got to trim that cover that you took off. You have to trim that to fit around these braces that come out. And that is the hardest part of the whole job. Mounting it, easy. Putting this on, easy. I did it all by myself. It's easy. The hardest part is cutting that thing. So what I did was I made a cardboard template. I laid the cover down and I made a template about, it's like 8.5 inches back from the front of the bumper. So I just measured back and I made a template about 9 inches, 8.5, 9, something like that, of cardboard. And I slid that in and I traced around it. And then I laid it on the cover and cut it out. It took me like 2 tries. I had to make some adjustments, but you get that cover back up and then you can put this back on and tighten everything down. And there it is. Now, me personally, everything's nice and black and sleek and matches the trim pretty well and looks really good on the vehicle. I did not like this big, bright silver hardware. So what I did was I got some bolt covers. I got some black touch-up paint and touched up the washers and such. But I took these guys and I cut some of them down, but I put these over top of the bolt heads and the nut and the bolt, and it hides that pretty good. And yes, I was worried about it too, but it's been driven around through bumps and potholes and everything else, and it's even been through the car wash twice and they stayed on. So there you go. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good, but there it is, the Vanguard bumper guard.
What we do here is go back.